Lisa Marvin Art. I'm back from my RV trip, and first thing I did, made a video. I missed it so much. So my phone's about to die, but I had to get this in. Today, I did a swipe using Sherwin-Williams Color to Go, but I had them tint it a navy blue, which is called Anchors Away. It's very pretty. I also have been using, it's called TLP pigments, this little piggy. They are not released to the public yet, but by November or the end of October they will. You can get them at Fluid Art Company. I love them. I used Twilight and Lakeside. Fluidart.co. Check it out. Not until the end of the month. Oh, I also got some Matisse paints. Oh, I didn't bring. So this is what Matisse paints looks like. One color I used, which I didn't bring, is Rose Madder, which is very similar to this, but a little pinker. I'm using some Primary Elements. I used Northern Lights, and I used one of my faves, Arctic Opal. And what I did with the Arctic Opal was I added a dot of this to make it more opaque when I put it on top. I also got this Matisse, Mo's screaming in the back. I used a bit of this magenta light, Matisse Glow. Oh, and you missed sneakers, I know. Now I just got this Matisse metallic gold and I used it. I'm actually not super in love with it, sorry Matisse. I really like the other paints, but I prefer Deco Art. Oh geez, sneakers, hold on, my phone's about to die. Deco Art, my old recipe of Deco Art with a bit of Arteza Gold 2 paint. I guess I could add this with the Deco Art, but it's just a little flat in comparison to Deco Art. I had a lovely trip. We went to Northern Ontario, to Manitoulin Islands. Beautiful. I mean, this is beautiful too, but it's a different kind of beautiful. So I'm back here. Let me know. Oh, so I swiped with a little painter's tool. I just put my cell activator on it, swiped it. If you want to know what the cell activator is, you have to take the Shelly Art class. I have a 15% off discount. Welcome home, kids and dogs. 15% off discount. Also, great Facebook group, tons of help, people from all over the world, so you know exactly what you need to do, and lots of help. What else was I gonna, oh, for God's sakes, I don't even remember what I was gonna say. Sorry I'm talking so fast, but my phone is literally at 1%. I think I got it. If you have any questions, let me know. It was a pretty simple swipe. I didn't even use any other tools. I really liked the pink glitters against the blue background. And there's no talking in the video, so that's why I'm talking now. And I want to say hello. I missed you. I hope to hear from you. Let me know what you think. Have a nice day.